Make a USB bootable device using Rufus.
So, hello. Okay, so for today's video, I would like you to for today's video, I would like to share with you a tutorial all about in making a bootable device using a USB. So as you can see on my screen, so we have what we call our flash drive. So if you have also a new flash drive, you can also do that. So let's first take a format. Okay, and then so as you can see, all all kind of USB is kinda the file system is FAT32, the default. So in taking a Windows bootable device using USB is we should use NTFS. Okay, let's start formatting. Yes. Okay, so but before that, I would like to ask you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also click the notification like button to be updated to my latest video. Okay, so let's go on. Make a beautiful device. So we have what we call the ISO file that we can use. We have 2008 server and Windows 10. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna create a bootable device using rufus. So as you can see, we have already a rufus. Just click that. You can download it also via online in Google Chrome. Okay. Okay, just okay. Quick format, yes. Two passes. So let's yan isomage. So let's click this. Yes, it's that's it. The correct. So let's create. So let's find the ISO file that we have. So I'm gonna choose Windows 10. Okay, let's open, and then that's it. Let's start and wait for a minute or an hour. Okay, so just click OK, and that's it. It will create a bootable USB device. So and loading. Okay, just wait until it already done, then you can use it in formatting and creating a Windows 10. It almost take on minutes or an hour. Let's just wait. So hopefully guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Kuyamart channel. You can see below this video, you can see that. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Okay, that's it. Let's take a deep breath. Okay, let's wait and wait and wait until it's all done. Okay. Okay. So, as you can see, we are already done. We will be finished. Okay, let's start. Finishing. We gotta finish it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Almost done. See? We are almost done. Yeah, almost done. Okay. 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 Okay, that's it. We're done. So, we are already have a USB bootable device. So, yes, that is. We have already a bootable device. So, we can check it. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next